That's what she said.
Puppy kisses, puppy kisses. I love this puppy.
Mine, you can't have him.
Ready, scoop roll or roll.
Alright, it's not going to be another video where only half my face is in the video.
Look at Ozzy. He's like, who's that?
Come here, baby. Come here, baby. This is Ozzy. He's my puppy.
Now I'm half in the video.
No, you're not. There's your video.
What?
I mean, your face.
I want to play.
Because there's a play button. I have a doggy, and his name is Ozzy, and I love him. He's got a little harness on because he's a puppy, and he will run away.
Don't want any puppy kisses.
We're weird like this. We baby.
I have lip gloss on that tastes good.
He's gonna eat it.
I know he was trying to.
He likes
like,
to.
no. I'm like, no.
That's why every time I put on lip gloss, I'm like, Ozzy, yeah. Why is his butt by my hand?
Because he's giving me puppy kisses.
He's licking my hand. He's such a cutie. He's almost 3.
Look at this doggy. Look at this doggy. Yeah. Ozzy. Ozzy pushed in the keyboard saying, what are you doing?
So that's my doggy. His name is Osmond Shasta. That's his middle name. You pout a lot. Your face.
Do you want to see something sexy?
That's not Ozzy.
Or me.
No. Ozzy, go to bed. I love you. Go lay down. I'll play with your ball.
Let's find it.
Alright, you talk to them for a minute.
You want to see something sexy that's not me? Jack Barrett hat. Love him. How are you today?
Move over.
Where?
Sorry.
What color are my eyes? Can you see them?
Looks dark.
How about now? Are they close enough so that you can tell what color they are?
Of course they can. Mine are brown. Mine look like shit.
What color are my eyes?
Right now they look green.
On my birth certificate it says blue. It says blue.
It's pink. It's not blue, it's pink.
Look at my sunburn is pink. Don't look at it.
Look at it. No, don't look at it.
Don't look at it.
You can see Jack staring at you. He's on your desk eye raping you right now. He can see you through the computer.
He uses my boobs for eyes.
Bye.